How to fix Google AdSense verification problem. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Google AdSense account, and after that open up the verification check over here. Here you need to do two kind of verification. The first one is identity verification and second is address verification. So it depends whether you are facing the problem on the identity verification or the address verification. So on the identity verification, make sure that you are submitting the documents for the identity which is allowed, like your driver's license, your passport or the national ID. Just choose the option which is eligible on Google AdSense. Otherwise they might reject it. So follow all the guidelines, and also they might require your selfie in order to verify your identity. So provide all the details as it is asked and it will be completed. And as for the address verification, they will be sending a code on your address through post, and you would have to put that particular code which is on the paper, which will be given to you in a letter. So you would have to put that particular code in the browser here over here, and after that your verification will be done. So it might take few weeks before this verification process gets completed, and this is how you would be able to fix the problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.